I'm Amy Anderson for the OptionRally News Team. Let's take a look at the global market highlights and news that all traders and investors should be aware of. Traders on the sidelines ahead of the ECB meeting today. Google settles record EU fine, and crude oil continues to climb. Let's take a quick look at what is happening in the global markets now. As investors stress about a 6-month low in Chinese manufacturing activity and a disappointing U.S. manufacturing report, the Hang Seng Index has dropped 2,000 points since January 1st, and the Dow has slid 6.9% from its peak. The release yesterday of the U.S. ISM non-manufacturing index was expected to indicate whether the economy is really weak or if it is just a blip because of recent adverse weather conditions. A weaker than expected U.S. private jobs report was offset by services sector data showing a pickup in growth. Overseas, disappointing Eurozone-priced mass retail sales took the shine off the best PMI figures for the region in 2.5 years. The short-term emerging market currency crisis is unlikely to have a big impact on the U.S. equity market as hot money is flowing back to the United States. Wall Street closed slightly lower on Wednesday, adding to its losses so far this year. The ADP survey on hiring did little to ease uncertainty about the health of the economy. The Dow moved between slight gains and losses as the sell-off eased by late afternoon, but the upswing ultimately did not hold. The European Union's Antitrust Commission accepted far-reaching concessions offered by Google to settle allegations it is abusing its dominant position in internet searches, bringing the 3-year-old case to an end. Google would significantly change the way it displays some search results in Europe in favor of its competitors. But reaching a settlement will spare the company a longer antitrust procedure that could have resulted in fines of up to 10% of the company's annual revenue, or about $5 billion. In the foreign exchange market, the greenback was 0.3% lower at 101.37 yen, and the euro was down 0.2%. The dollar also dipped against the euro as traders awaited the outcome of Thursday's European Central Bank policy meeting and whether policymakers would consider further stimulus to help a still fragile Eurozone economy. The euro was up slightly at 1.3534. The pound continued its slide ahead of the Bank of England meeting today, although no changes are expected. Now moving to the commodities market. Gold was well off the day's highs after the mixed U.S. data left investors uncertain over the pace of the U.S. recovery. The metal closed up 0.3% to $1258.46. Oil prices edged higher. A U.S. industry report showed lower inventories and robust heating fuel demand due to cold weather in the United States. Brent crude rose 47 cents to 106.25 per barrel after 3 straight sessions of losses. U.S. crude rose 19 cents to settle at 97.38. This is Amy Anderson from OptionRally signing off. Follow me on Facebook and watch for our new financial terms of the day and our weekly event news.